Most people flock to markets to buy jewelry, utensils or household appliances and even like to invest in gold on the occasion of Dhanteras every year. However, this year you can buy gold in digital form. Yes, digital gold is a thing and you can buy lesser than a single gram of gold and you can even invest as less as rupees 500. Digital gold, as the name suggests, is completely digital in nature. So it does not require you to visit your trusted jeweler to buy a jewelry piece or a gold coin or anything else. You can simply stay at home and complete the entire process. It's all online. So now you have systematic investment plans, SIPs, for digital gold and silver. The SIP investment can be started with a minimum amount of rupees 500 per month and there is no cap on the maximum amount. So you can add more gold or sell some of it as and when you desire. So whatever gold you have bought in digital format is associated with you and your assets, but since there is no physical delivery, the onus of keeping it safe is not on you. So you will purchase the gold in digital format from trading companies. Now these trading companies will keep the amount of gold that you have purchased safe in their own lockers. Platforms like Google Pay and Paytm act as middlemen between you and trading companies. So when you want to sell the gold, you can do so via the platform and you may end up saving more than you would with physical gold. So if you're opting for digital gold, you're able to actually save on charges which are levied on you when you're trying to purchase gold, basically getting the jewelry made, and also at the time of selling it off, charges which are levied on second hand or used jewelry. There is a bit of a flip side to this as well, because most banks will not give you a loan keeping your digital gold as collateral.